tension is at 80% and rising. We need to stabilize the ascent rate now.
I'm trying. The current is too strong.
We're getting increased noise from the starboard side.
Acknowledged. Keep the ascent steady. We're entering the lighter blue now.
Maintain pressure. We're almost clear on the starboard side.
Check the rigging on the number 1 hose.
The reading here is thinner than expected.
Right here, near the weld.
I'll mark this spot for reinforcement.
The starboard ballast is still reading high.
Adjust the trim angle by 2 degrees and recheck the pressure.
Crane 1, maintain synchronization. We are clear of the water. Confirm placement on the cradle.
Lower it 5 more meters, slowly now. Watch the port side clearance.
Confirmed. The starboard readings are stable.
The schematics show the Ethernet goes into port 3.
Okay, routing it there now. Check the power coupling.
Easy down, watch the stress points. Manifest confirms 480 tons total. Unit 47 is secure, ready for transport.
Convoy mobilizing now.
Ballast systems holding steady at 10 meters.
Confirmed. Engine parameters are nominal. Check the port side plane.
Verified. Pressure holding at maximum tolerance. Activate emergency protocol Alpha.
Confirmed. Checking readout. No leaks detected.
All clear. Well done, team. Log the results.
Once a vessel of illicit trade, this submarine